It is not simply relying on what you can do, but being very clear and direct on what is the value that you can bring. And even if you have no formal work experience, you have gone through your life being able to address and solve problems, whether they're people problems, whether they're communication problems, logic problems. Like, you have been born and developed an ability to solve certain problems. And it's up to you to then figure out who's having those problems, what is happening to them, how are they suffering emotionally, mentally, physically, how is their business suffering, how are they losing money, how are they wasting time, how are they being volatile for the future, and coming in and saying, hey, like, here are the problems I can help you solve. Because at its core, good leadership, that's really what they want out of their next employee, isn't a full track record of experience that you did yesterday. They want you to have a mindset and an attitude today that doesn't have you do good work, but instead has you solve good problems. So if you feel like you're stuck, you have no experience, and you're in that conundrum of you need experience to get experience, don't go look for experience to get, go look for problems to solve.